Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to create the flashcard using the Claude. So it's going to be pretty simple thing to do. So I'm using desktop application of Claude and I have Claude Pro, but I'm using the 7.4.6 version because it uses the less of the credits. But if you want to use like different versions, for example, other models like Fable, Opus, Haiku, and there are other Opus models as well. So if you want to use them for more complex tasks, you guys are more open to do it. So in order to create a flashcard, you just don't need a prompt. You need a whole lot more than that. You have to set rules. You have to tell it, the current level of knowledge. You have to create a set of, let it know that how many flashcards do you want to create. You have to set the rules and constraints. Then you have to give examples to it. For example, over here I had provided the examples like what is the primary function of the ribosomes in the cells, and it says protein synthesis. So these are the questions, like I've given it an example. So here you guys can see that Claude Haiku 5 flashcards. I have given the model, for example, over here you guys can see that introduction to Claude Flavor 5, but it has made Haiku 5 flashcards. So this is a difference. You guys can specifically tell it to keep it to the Fable 5. And over here, I have created a visual representation. For example, if you click on it, it will show the answer. Like what architectural advancement in Claude Haiku 5 most significantly improves its reasoning over the prior Haiku model. So there's the answer, there's the answer, there's the answer, there's the answer, and there's the answer. So these are the ways to create the flashcards. If you want it to be embedded into your web page or something like that, please comment us below so I can create about it. So this is pretty much it for the video. See you next time. Take care. Bye bye.